Imagine you're sitting on a beach, sipping a cocktail, watching the sunset. You've been investing with Raiz for a while, and you're starting to wonder, why am I losing money with Raiz? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many investors, and it's one we're going to dive deep into today. Raiz is a popular micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. It's a great way to start building wealth, but it's important to understand how it works and what factors can affect your returns. Let's break down how Raiz works. Essentially, you link your bank account to Raiz, and it automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar. The difference is then invested into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Factors affecting returns. While Raiz is a convenient way to invest, there are several factors that can impact your returns. Market volatility. The stock market is inherently volatile. This means that even the best performing ETFs can experience downturns. Fees. Raiz charges a management fee, which can eat into your returns over time. Currency fluctuations. If you're investing in international ETFs, currency fluctuations can affect your returns. Your investment strategy, such as your risk tolerance and investment horizon, can also impact your returns. Analyzing your portfolio. To determine why you might be losing money with Raiz, it's important to analyze your portfolio. Here are some questions to consider. Is your portfolio diversified? A diversified portfolio can help reduce risk. Are you investing regularly? Consistent investing can help you ride out market fluctuations. Are you staying the course? It's important to avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market movements. Evaluating your expectations. It's also important to evaluate your expectations. Raiz is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment strategy that requires patience and discipline. Alternative investment options. If you're unhappy with your returns from Raiz, there are other investment options to consider, such as investing directly in ETFs or mutual funds. This can give you more control over your investments. Working with a financial advisor can provide personalized advice and guidance. Losing money with Raiz can be frustrating, but it's important to understand the factors that can affect your returns. By analyzing your portfolio, evaluating your expectations, and considering alternative investment options, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.